Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. How are you? It's a new day. Thank you for coming along again. I'm Júlio, or Julio, like some people say, if you don't know how to pronounce it. I'm here with Long, and today I'm curious, Long, what are we talking about?
Oh, how to get your first job in tech. Man, I just wanted to drink something.
How to get a new job in tech. Okay, I think for me, I kind of have a personal experience I can share. First, before you do get a job, you need to prepare yourself. Like, you can't just out of nowhere uh, take your shoes and decide to go climb the most dangerous mountain. You need to train, otherwise you're just gonna die. Like, so what should you do? You should prepare yourself. Like, if it's software development, know your stuff, know the basics, nail them, like master the basics.
The
You'll be fine.
fundamentals, yeah.
Practice, yeah, practice, build projects, use what people use in the industry. Really, like, don't waste time building things that don't make sense. Like, make things that make sense,
Useful, man.
and
Create something
yeah,
useful.
things that are actually useful. Solve a problem. Look for a problem that exists or a problem that you have, and try to solve it using software. Over time, you'll gain experience, which is something you need. And read a lot, practice a lot.
Okay.
And
And then?
before looking for a job, you need to network with people so you expand your horizons. Otherwise, you're just gonna be a man in the cave. No one will know about you, even though you're the best in the world. No one knows.
Why are you
So
describing
network,
me in my cave?
network, yeah, network with people, find people online, go to platforms like, I don't know, LinkedIn or Discord for very active communities like the
And Twitter,
self-dev
man.
community, where you can find really good developers who network, have a variety of networks, which will help you in the long run. I don't know, what's your view on that, Long, on networking and finding a community?
Yeah, so that I think that's a really good point. Like online communities, like imagine when you go outside, right? I don't know where you want to go. Just go anywhere outside and imagine how long it takes to talk to, I don't know, 100 people. That takes so much time
Yeah,
until you can speak to them. But online, you could engage in a community, and this community already has like 100, 200, maybe 500 people, or even co-working streams, and then engage with the people, get in touch, because there are even business owners and a lot of programmers or software developers from big companies streaming, and you can just talk with them and figure out if they have any opportunities. And but I think one thing we should assume here or say is that you kind of have some experience already by having some kind of projects you build yourself, like you mentioned before. And but I think the biggest opportunity which you could have is to use LinkedIn, because when I go to LinkedIn and I activate this, I don't know what is it called. This, I'm actively looking for a new job or something. When you just
yeah,
activate it, every recruiter will see that, and they will reach out to you. But one thing which I also noticed is that you have to improve your LinkedIn profile. So that means you need to understand, okay, what field do you want to get into, right? Like, let's say web development or app development, mobile app development. Then you should write in your profile of your LinkedIn what you currently are working on, and then you have to use those keywords. Like if it's mobile app, then you write all the tech stack which you're using, and that's how people can find you and then reach out to you. Even if you're a junior and just build one good project, they will still reach out to you.
yeah. That's basically me. I had one really kind of big project, and that's like the one that kind of boosted me any
This
successful online.
this Pesos.
Yeah, and
On.
basically, kind of LinkedIn also reminds me you need to get your CV or your
Oh yeah,
resume
man.
in order so you can move forward.
Nice.
And I think, yeah, basically that's that for today. We can expand more on that for the next episode, but for today is network. Go to LinkedIn, get
Online
your resume in
communities.
order.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
Peace.
you'll be set.